is Mindy McIntosh, and today I'm going to show you how to plant a peppermint garden. Now the thing about peppermint is it's a very invasive herb, and so you will need to contain it in some form or fashion. The way I would suggest would be to either plant it in a container or plant it in a raised bed, which is what we're going to do today. Now the process is pretty simple. You need to turn your soil, mix it up, make sure you don't have any soil clots, remove any weeds, and then we're going to plant peppermint seeds in that garden space. While you can plant peppermint plants, it is just as easy to use seeds, and it's actually kind of fun to watch them germinate. And that's all there is to it as far as planting a peppermint garden.